Pragnabodhini High School, located in India, Mumbai, Goregaon. We are the students of 10th graders. A milligram of prevention is worth a kilogram of cure.
In case of mechanical failure to decelerate a ship, what precautions are taken? During any colossal natural disaster, what safety measures are in place?
Things end, but memories last forever. Which was the most memorable incident ever happened on the fifth generation aircraft carrier? As we all know, the HMS Elizabeth aircraft carrier accommodate large number of equivalent to a small township. In what part and parcel is the food stock replenished? Thank you for listening our questions on HMS Queen Elizabeth aircraft carrier.